the variables are going to be declared like this are going to be dynamically typed. Okay. Then it is going to have the specifications of this variable declarations is it can be type of integer, character, string, and all these things. How it is getting changes in that? So we'll be not going to mention this integer, string, and all these things, character, but you'll be going to mention that one with the var word. Okay, var is nothing but a variable x. So like that you can able to mention. Assignment can happen at the declaration time by appending the value to the declaration. Means when you'll be going to say that x is equals variable var x equal to 10. So it is an integer type. It is understood. It is variable var x equal to double quote 10. It defines I as or x as string variable. Okay. So variable y is equals to date of new date of date function. Okay. So now y will become an object type. In 10.5, then it will be considered as a float variable. Okay, fine. At the time of declaration only it is going to be. Here is the comparison is there. Okay. So here it is a operator description in the matches. Okay. Here double equal to sign is a equal to sign. It is going to be condition. Now it is going to say you are matching with the 9. Okay. X is equals to 9. Yes, it is true. X is equals to 9. Double equal to is there, but in this case it is going to say that it is true. Double equal to sign, it is going to say it is true, but triple equal to when you will be going to use that time it is going to say that it is wrong. Okay, it is false. But x equal to triple equal to 9 is true because this 9 is an integer, this also 9 is an integer, hence it is true. But here it is wrong. Okay. So less than symbol and greater than symbols and all these things are common to every language. Okay. These are the logical operators which you'll be going to already you know about that, and or not operations are going to be there. You'll be going to use this double ampersand for the AND operation, 2 lines, okay, straight lines that you'll be going to use for OR operator, and exclamatory mark for NOT operation. Is a Boolean operations basically. Okay, and the table it is being given here. So when in the multiplication, that is a AND operator, when both inputs are true, the output is going to be true, otherwise it is false. That's it. In case of OR gate, when any one of this operation A and B, 2 inputs, okay, any one of this one is true, it will be true, otherwise it is going to be false. Means both are false, the output is false. Third one is a negation. Okay, not operator means negation. If input A is true, B means output is going to be false. If the input A is false, yeah. So here, similarly, similar to that, okay, we have the operations, the conditional operations are there. If then, if condition, if else if conditions. Okay, this is a common programming language operations are there that it is going to be used here. Okay. Example that it is being shown over here is that variable x is going to be greetings. For example, here it is going to be taken var greeting. If x is greater than 4 and x is less than 12, timing. Okay, greeting is equals to good morning, that it is going to say. Variable x is getting defined over there now. Okay. If then else if x is greater than 12 and x is less than 20, it is saying that good afternoon, and greetings good evening. So apart from that, if it is going to be, it is going to say good evening. So this is a condition statement. According to what is the value that it is going to be, it is based on that value that it is going to execute. So normal C language concept it is. Okay. Similarly, the loops. Okay, loops also want to be written like that only. While loop is there. Okay, do while loop is there. For loop is there. All these things are common to other C language concept it is. Okay. Fine. This is a for variable I equal to 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus operations are going to be get continued over there. Only thing is that here var is being mentioned. Okay, any variable that you will be going to use it, before that var should be present. Okay, that variable has to be declared, right? This is one example, simple example it is being given for the function. Always functions are going to be written by using the function keyword or with the name of the function. So here is the example for that. There is a power program that has been written. Function power, okay, x comma y, x comma y, variable power equal to 1. For variable I equal to 0, I is less than y, I plus plus, power equal to power into x, and return the power. Close that, close the function. How will we going to call this one? We'll be going to call this one by using the pass by, okay, value will be going to pass it, okay, pass by value, pass by references. So like that you can able to, this is a common programming language concept it is going to be, okay. So power 2 comma 10, 2 comma 10, 2 is x, y is 10, so it is getting calculated here. For example, consider only 2 comma 2, okay. So what happens in this? X is 2, y is 2, power equal to 1, correct. Then for variable I is equals to 0, I is less than y, I plus plus. What is the y value? Y value is 2, correct. I value is 0, power equal to, power is 1, 1 into x is 2, 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 2, that is 4, correct. 4 is stored here, then I will become incremented, I will become 2 now, 2 is less than 2, no, correct, it will come out of the loop. What is the value of power? It is 4, 4 is returned, okay. So 2 comma 2 is power 2 raised to 2 is 4, it is, the answer is there. So like this the function is getting executed, okay. Some methods are going to be used for the display of the information, okay. So here alert method is going to be used. Alert is a function makes browser show the pop-up to the user. Pop-up window is going to appear with whatever it is being passed in the message that is getting displayed, okay. So here is alert example is there. Alert method, alert good morning. So this is going to display in the box good morning, okay. And you can use this another method, that is console.log, okay. The alert can get tedious fast, it is going to be fast, it is going to be when you can use using the debugger tools, okay. Browser can write output by using the log with console.log, put message here. So this also is possible, okay. Use the debugger to access these logs also. Logs also you can able to access that. Basically alert method is going to be used for display that message whatever that is going to present in the alert function, okay. Errors using try catch block. So always whenever that you are going to use any programming language, errors are going to appear, so exceptions are going to be there, so exceptions are going to be thrown, okay. So here you will be going to use the try and catch block to catch hold of the errors. So here is an example which shows that how this function is going to work. Try and catch block is going to be there. So example it is going to be non-existent function. So some function is being called hello. So catch that error. If this is not going to be there, then alert an exception has caught that error name that it is going to display, okay. So here what happens is any errors that it is going to be, for example the input you have been asking. So input if you are not going to enter anything and just you will be going to press enter button, so that what happens, the entry is not done, means input is not been done, but then it is getting created over there, the error. So that throws an exception that you have not entered actually. So at that time it is going to try block, it is going to catch that particular information and it is going to throw that, okay, this is an exception for that. You have to enter the input, so that it is going to say. Otherwise what happens, it will come out of the loop and you are not able to log into again you have to log in again, you have to process, so many things are going to be there. So temporarily it stops over there and it is going to get continued over there if you are going to use try and catch blocks. Next is about the JavaScript objects, it is going to be, okay. Objects are now classes, first thing, because the objects are going to be present in that classes, but it is going